भारतीय रेल आपकी सफल सुखद एवं मंगलमय यात्रा की कामना करती है।
हेलो
Namaskar. Indian Railways welcomes all the passengers of train number 896, Gurgaon Vande Bharat Express, operated by Indian Railways. This train has 14 chair car and 2 executive chair car coaches. Newspapers and drinking water will be provided to all the passengers of this train. All passengers opting for food and body transport, Gurgaon and Bhubaneswar will be provided by Railway will be served after adult. Passengers with current reservation who have opted for catering will be provided with vegetarian food. If you did not opt for food during ticket booking but want to obtain food, then immediately contact with the TT on the coach. Food will be provided with an additional service charge of 70 rupees. For any suggestion or complaint related to food during the journey, please contact the Rail Superintendent. Indian Railways wishes you a blessed journey.